Forget trenches. Forget tanks. The next world war won't start with boots on the ground. It'll start with code. Drones already fly missions without pilots. Algorithms decide who lives and who doesn't. And cyberattacks? They can black out cities in seconds, without a single shot fired. Satellites circle overhead, watching every move. AI weapons learn faster than generals can think. The battlefield isn't a place anymore, it's everywhere. Picture this. A hacker crashing stock markets, a drone strike launched from half a world away, or deepfakes sparking panic before leaders can even respond. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. The rules of war are changing faster than we can write them. And the scariest part? No one's in full control. So if World War III comes, will we even see it before it begins? Comment, alert, if you think the war of tomorrow has already started. This is Era Vibes.